Okay, guys, it's your boy Marlon O. Bennett. Guys, get super pumped and get super excited for the last video before I actually move on to my bonus videos, which I'll actually be adding to the website in a couple of weeks. And so this is the last video for a while, guys. And so we're going to wind down so we can get started, okay, in terms of getting set up with your problem solving marketing system. In the last video, we talked about free traffic and exposure for your problem solving marketing system by way of using YouTube and, doing YouTube videos. In this particular video, guys, we're going to be talking about paid exposure and traffic for your problem solving marketing system using solo ads, okay? And let me make a note to you guys. This is the fastest way to get your business up and running. Okay. So first, guys, let's talk about what is a solo ad, guys. Okay. I'm going to leave this link right below in this video, guys. Well, actually, I won't do that, but let me say this, guys, so you guys can understand what a solo ad is. It's a form of advertising, guys, right? It's really a list rental, right? That's sent out to an entire portion of an email subscribers list. Now, when I redirect you guys, when we get over to the source we're talking about today, which is Udemy, there are countless thousands of what we call solo ad vendors inside of that platform who have huge list, guys. And what you can do is buy or rent a portion of those vendors lists to send out your particular links, okay? Because that's what you want to do when you talk about a solo ad. You're going to be giving them the link to your website where you want them to send the solo ad, and they're going to take over from there, guys. So just understand that, okay? So what you're basically doing is buying targeted traffic to your web page, right? Or affiliate links that you're looking to promote, okay? So solo ads can be very powerful, guys. And so we're going to move over here to this particular vendor, which is called Udemy, which is one of my favorites, guys. And I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what happens here in terms of getting your problem solving marketing system, your link, okay, up and actually out there, guys, so you can position yourself in front of your potential prospects, okay? Now, in this particular platform, guys, we have over 2 million customers. We have both buyers and vendors, people who are selling solo ads as well as people who are buying solo ads, okay? So it's a great place to be. There are a lot of affiliate marketers inside of this platform, guys, and this is a great way to make some really nice connections in terms of getting yourself positioned. Remember, it positioned in front of your particular target audience, okay? So guys, let me talk a little bit more about how you're going to be able to use the platform like Udemy to get your problem solving marketing business up and running. Now, even since I started the video series, guys, you can see I've tweaked my capture page just a little, right? I've made the heading up here a little bit bigger. I've added some color scheme, a little color scheme here and there, guys, and I've tweaked the page a little bit. But I'm getting ready to run a solo ad tomorrow, right? So I want to make sure this is all right. So I'm double checking everything. I'm dotting all the I's and I'm crossing all the T's, making sure I'm ready to go. Tomorrow I will run the solo ad that I've scheduled to run on Monday or Tuesday. Not sure yet. Anyway, guys, the first two components of your problem-solving marketing system are your capture page and your high converting offer. Okay, now I already have these integrated together. Special note, when this is all properly set up, guys, you're going to have an autoresponder that's going to be working for you in the background. We're going to talk more about that, so don't get too caught up with that right now. Just understand that once you start driving or getting exposure, guys, and driving traffic into your capture page, and this thing is configured the right way, and you start generating leads, your problem solving marketing system goes to work for you guys, and it can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days of the year. Okay, when this is all said and done, guys, your sole responsibility is getting in front of people who are looking for your offers. Okay, and remember, guys, we said there are over 200,000 brand new people coming online every single day looking for ways to make money online, looking for ways to start their own business, people who just want to make a little extra income and work from home. So what business are we in, guys? We're in the problem solving business, and solo ads are going to be a great way for you guys to get your problem solving business up and running. Now, as you can see here, guys, I've been in here since yesterday because I'm going through some of the vendors because I'm trying to figure out who I'm going to use for this particular solo ad. But you can see, guys, here's my history just as of late. I'm going to click my solos, and you guys can see where I've just been consistently running solo ads, guys, over the past few weeks. These are the solo ads that I've been running. And so I continue to build my list on a daily basis and make some sales along the way, guys. Okay, and that's how we build our business, guys, by building a list. And you can do that again when you get exposure and traffic to your problem solving marketing systems. Now, guys, once you're inside of Udemy, guys, you want to go over here. You see this little tab here that says solo deals. You want to click that, or you could also go to find sellers. When you do that, guys, a list of the vendors that I just spoke of is going to populate. Okay, I strongly suggest, guys, you go through here, take your time, do what I like to call vetting the vendors. You know what I mean? Go and pick and choose some of the vendors that you think you might be interested in. You can read up on them, guys. I'm going to click this vendor right here. And you can see this particular vendor. If you look up here, guys, there's some stats that you want to pay special attention to. This is Desmond Akil Smith, guys. I'm an affiliate for him for one of his offers. And he is also a solo ad vendor. He's one of the top vendors in here. And if you look up here and you see the little dollar sign, he's a 30% ratio, guys, in terms of the sales generated from vendors using his particular solo ads. I'm only mentioning that because these are things you want to be paying attention to when you go in here and start looking for a vendor to place your first solo ad. Okay. Now my cat's all over the place, guys, so you got to excuse me. So anyway, you want to be looking at things like that. You want to be looking at the price per lead. You can look over here, that's 75 cents per. But you can go inside of here, guys, when you go to find sellers, and you can go inside of this platform. I'm going to click here, and you can start looking at the amount of visitors that you want to start generating when we talk about getting that exposure and getting those leads for your problem solving marketing business, your website, your link. Right now, you can see it starts at 50 visitors, guys. There's 75, 100. And so you can go in here, guys. You can also go here, and you can go, you'll see you got between 35 and 40 cents per click. Right, you can come all the way down here to 75%. You know, you play around in here, guys. Okay, get in here, create yourself a budget, and then, guys, you'll be able to start running solo ads. Now again, guys, let me back up just a little bit to make sure we understand exactly what we're talking about when we talk about a solo ad and when we talk about your problem solving marketing system. Now let me get back to my page. Okay, right here. Now, guys, in a little while, right, you guys, I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to make an invitation for you guys to see exactly what we're doing and how you can get your very own problem solving marketing system right now. Today, guys, pretty much if you want to have it, go to work for you on complete automation. You're going to know how to do all of those things. It's going to come to you complete with everything that you need, to include all kinds of training, guys, thousands of dollars worth of training, as a matter of fact. But understand, when you have your system, guys, this is the front door to your problem solving marketing system. Okay, this is the front door. I love creating my own capture pages, guys, so I created this page. By the way, you guys need capture pages created at any time, right? You can contact me. I'll be more than happy to create you a capture page. We'll talk about those things later. I'm going to give you guys all my contact information. You guys will be able to get in contact with me. But I want you to understand that when your problem solving marketing system is all together and everything is up and ready, again, your sole responsibility is to get exposure and traffic to drive into your particular marketing system, which does all the work for you. I can't put enough emphasis on this, which does 90% of the work for you on complete automation. Again, you can be positioning yourself in front of your target audience, right? And have people viewing your problem solving marketing system and high converting offers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days of the year. Now, guys, we've covered quite a bit of information inside of this short video series where I talked about you guys becoming problem solvers. If you're ready to get all the explosive details about joining our team of problem solvers, guys, I want you to click this blue button right here. It's going to take you over to my partner. She's going to talk to you guys a little bit more. And remember, guys, if this is something that you think that you want to do, guys, understand that when you start developing the skill set to do this type of thing, you can go out and market and promote anything that you want to with the training that I'm going to give you guys. Okay, you know, you're not relegated to just promote this particular offer. You can promote anything it is that you want to promote. So understand that. So in terms of the Udemy platform, guys, click the button right below this video. It's going to say best buy quality advertising. That's going to take you over to the Udemy account. Let me take you guys over there real quick. You'll click that button. It should take you over. Once you're over here, guys, you're going to come up here to the right. You guys see where I'm playing around right here? Sign up for a free account, guys. Go it on and start looking at some of the vendors inside of the platform. We went through that, and I showed you guys how that works. When you get inside, and if you've created your account, your username, you'll come up here to solo deals. Again, guys, you will take your time, right? Go through the different vendors, look at them, vet them, check out what they do. You can actually contact them, guys. You can put them in on your favorites list. Do all of those things and get yourself set up and get yourself ready. Now, I'm going to close by saying this, guys. In 2 weeks, I will have bonus training inside of this particular website. So you want to make sure, guys, whatever you do, bookmark this page. Keep your eyes on your emails, and we're going to be talking about all kinds of different techniques, tactics, strategies, you name it, guys. We're going to be covering it. So if you're still on my list, guys, you're going to be in for a treat, because even if this particular opportunity is not for you guys, I'm sure, guys, I bet you $1 to a dime, I have something for everybody. Okay, so if you want to become a problem solver, guys, and you're ready, go on and click the blue get started button right below. If you have any questions, guys, you can reach me. You can email me at itsmarlonobennett@gmail.com. Make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line, and hopefully I'll be hearing from you guys soon, welcoming you guys into our exclusive Facebook group, and let's get this party started, guys. Okay, as always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. Let's get rocking, and I'll see you on the next video.